Fast and Fabulous, your speedy guide to home transformation. Want to give your home a fresh new look without spending days on end painting? You're in the right place. We've got the inside scoop on quick and efficient house painting techniques that will transform your space in a flash. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY guru and watch your walls come alive with color, all while saving time and energy. This guide is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know about speedy painting, from prepping your walls like a pro to mastering those time-saving painting techniques. We'll break down each step into easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring a smooth and successful painting experience, even if you're a beginner. So, grab your brushes, put on your painting clothes, and let's dive into the world of fast and fabulous house painting. Get ready to be amazed at how simple changes in your approach can make a world of difference in both the speed and quality of your paint job. Whether you're refreshing a single room or tackling your entire home, these tips and tricks will help you achieve professional-looking results without the endless hours of labor. Let's get started on your journey to a beautifully painted home, without the stress and time commitment you might expect. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and transform your living space with a fresh coat of paint. It's time to make your house a home, fast. Prep work, your secret weapon for speed and success. Don't underestimate the power of proper preparation. It's the key to a fast, flawless paint job. By taking the time to prep your walls thoroughly, you'll create a smooth, even surface that allows for effortless paint application and a stunning final result. First things first, protect your furniture and floors from paint splatters by covering them with drop cloths or plastic sheeting. Next, clean your walls with a damp cloth to remove any dust, cobwebs, or grime that could interfere with paint adhesion. If you encounter any cracks or holes, fear not. Fill them with patching compound, let it dry completely, and sand it smooth for a seamless finish. Once your walls are clean and smooth, it's time to mask off any areas you don't want to paint, such as trim, moldings, and windows. Use painter's tape for sharp, clean lines and press it down firmly to prevent any paint from seeping underneath. Now, with your walls prepped to perfection, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, painting. Remember, thorough prep work is a time investment that pays off big time in the long run. It not only ensures a professional-looking finish, but also saves you from potential headaches and touch-ups down the line. So embrace the prep stage, and you'll be well on your way to a beautifully painted home in no time. Painting power, techniques for a speedy and flawless finish. Now that your walls are prepped and ready, it's time to unleash your inner painting pro. With the right techniques, you can achieve a flawless finish quickly and efficiently, transforming your space in a matter of hours. First, choose the right tools for the job. A paint roller is your best friend for covering large, flat surfaces like walls, while paintbrushes are ideal for detail work, corners, and edges. Opt for high-quality rollers and brushes to ensure smooth, even coverage and minimize streaks. When loading your roller, avoid overloading it with paint, as this can lead to drips and uneven application. Instead, dip the roller into the paint tray and roll it back and forth until it's evenly coated. Apply paint in smooth, overlapping strokes, working your way from top to bottom for a consistent finish. For best results, apply 2 coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Don't forget about ventilation. Open windows and doors to keep the air circulating and speed up the drying process. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you paint, the more confident and efficient you'll become. So grab your tools, embrace these techniques, and watch your walls transform with color. Congratulations on conquering your painting project. Now it's time to wrap things up like a true DIY champion with a swift and efficient cleanup. Proper cleanup not only restores order to your workspace, but also prolongs the life of your painting tools, ensuring they're ready for their next artistic endeavor. First and foremost, remove any painter's tape while the paint is still slightly wet. This prevents the tape from sticking too firmly and potentially peeling off dried paint. Next, pour any leftover paint back into its original container. Securely seal the lid and store it in a cool, dry place for future use. Remember to label the container with the date and the room it was used for easy reference. Now let's tackle those paint-splattered tools. Rinse your rollers and brushes thoroughly with warm water until the water runs clear. For stubborn paint, use a mild soap or brush cleaner specifically designed for water-based paints. Once clean, reshape your brushes to their original form and allow them to air dry completely before storing. With your tools sparkling clean and your workspace tidy, take a moment to admire your handiwork. A beautifully painted room completed with speed and efficiency. Remember, a job well done includes a thorough cleanup, leaving you with a sense of accomplishment and a home ready to be enjoyed. We've unveiled the secrets to quick and efficient house painting, empowering you to transform your home with confidence and speed. Now it's your turn to shine. We want to hear all about your painting adventures and any time-saving tips you've discovered along the way. Did you try out our techniques for prepping like a pro or mastering those speedy painting strokes? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of DIY enthusiasts, inspiring and supporting each other in our quest for beautifully painted homes. Do you have a go-to trick for achieving those flawlessly smooth finishes, or a secret weapon for lightning-fast cleanup? Don't keep it to yourself. Share your wisdom and help fellow DIYers conquer their next painting project with ease and efficiency. Together, we can make house painting a breeze, one quick and fabulous project at a time. So what are you waiting for? Grab your brushes, unleash your creativity, and let's get painting. And don't forget to share your triumphs, tips, and transformations with us. We can't wait to hear from you.